existing network in Fabric. Hello everyone, this is NetMaven DNAC 2.2.2 and higher as the flexibility to use the VLAN based L2 VNI along with the customer VLAN ID capability on the Fabric edge. Any managed Cisco switch or third-party switch connected to the Fabric edge device via the trunk link used to communicate through the Fabric. The traditional VLAN ID is part of a non-Fabric environment added to the Fabric using L2 VNI and provides the macro segmentation using the virtual networks. It essentially allows the communication between the devices connected to those managed switches using Fabric as a layer 2 transport option. This lab will create L2 VNI with customer VLAN ID. There's an unmanaged Cisco device running in traditional layer 2 access mode. That switch is running VLAN 5 with the SVI hosted in the traditional network. That traditional VLAN needs to be extended into the Fabric and uses the Fabric as a medium to communicate between the devices connected to the traditional switch using layer 2. So this can be achieved using the L2 VNI feature with customer VLAN ID 5 added in the Fabric. Continuing last lab, and we'll go to provision SD access virtual networks. Here we'll go to virtual networks under layer 2. We're going to click on layer 2 virtual networks, and we're going to click create L2 virtual networks for L2 VNI. That will open this L2 VNI workflow. We're going to give VLAN name as a legacy. ID I talk about is 5 with the rest of the default options for traffic type data. When L2 VNI is enabled, the L2 flooding behavior is enabled by default. Here, this is done through the underlay multicast with an ASP. I'm sorry, it's called ASM group. Ending source multicast. So next step is to associate this L2 VNI to a Fabric site. Click next, and we're gonna select a Fabric site, which is gonna be my HQ SJC04. SJC04 is my HQ site. Okay. All right, click next. The next step is to provide a summary view of all configuration, which is going to be provisioned in the Fabric site. Next, now deploy. We'll wait this task to complete. Submit. Everything looks okay. We can see it's in my task in progress. I pause my video to wait this to be complete. Click refresh again. We have successfully completed L2 virtual network workflow. It created and provisioned from the DNAC. All right, go back. We're gonna exit. Scroll down. A new layer 2 VNI VNID 8191 would be shown in here with VLAN ID 5. Okay, 8191 is an L2 only VNI because it has no IP pool associated, whereas the other VNIs, you will see the other VNIs have IP pool associated. All right, let's jump to my party session to campus 02. Campus 2, this one. Okay, campus 2. Okay. Logging. We're gonna show run section Lisp. Under service Ethernet, VLAN 5 endpoint ID table is added along with underlay multicast group address for flooding behavior. Now we have a legacy L2 only VNI added here. Now the SJC04 fabric site is already configured with borders. We have borders, and edge device. For this use case, the fabric is starting at a distribution layer at FE Fabric Edge, which is Campus Fabric Edge 2. Also, L2 VNI is added on the Fabric Edge Campus Fabric Edge 2. So all we need now is to connect the L2 access switch, which is traditionally unmanaged, to this Fabric Edge 2 via a trunk. So this would allow the client to communicate via layer 2 through the fabric. This is how we connect L2 switches to the fabric. We'll open the my DNAC. We'll go to, again, provision, SD access, fabric site. We'll click on SJC04 fabric site and we'll find the port assignment. Under the port assignment is Campus Fabric Edge 2. The interface is 103. Okay, 103, click on it. The interface needs to be provisioned as a trunk interface to learn the fabric VLANs. So once this box is selected, click configure. Make sure Campus Edge 2 interface 103. All right, we're gonna to click the port to assign the trunk. Okay, update. There's Dort here. We're gonna click deploy all. New task is sending here. Oh, wait this task to be configured. Task name, port assignment for device at SJC04. Refresh. Now we succeed. That's verified client connectivity on the unmanaged switch. In this step, we're going to verify the connectivity on the client device. That's going to be my EMP2 connected to the legacy switch. We'll assume the traditional switch have DHCP DNS connectivity for the connected client. That part is out of scope, so I'm not showing that. We're going to log on to my CML. We're going to log in. And click on my topology. Here's the total topology. Let's right click my EMP host. And we're going to say VNC. Let's open up full screen. Right, let me log in. After the command line, I'm to enter the IP config all. I verify the IP and MAC address of my client. Okay. Since the devices are part of a Fabric 2 VNI, we could verify the Lisp database entries of those commands, the MAC address in the Fabric Edge. Now we're gonna change a little bit of view here and log on to my campus Fabric Edge 2. We're logging on here. We have log on here. Okay, login. When I show CDP neighbor to, okay, wait. Okay, did not log in. Just give me some time. Okay, show CDP neighbor. We're going to verify the traditional legacy switch connected to the Fabric Edge. Campus Fabric Edge 2 is here. And we're going to use command show Lisp instant. I remember that's 8191 Ethernet database. Here you go. It's not a database. We're going to verify the Lisp database entries. This way one can quickly start the Fabric journey, right? You know, by retaining the existing VLANs at the access layer and still use the benefits of the Fabric virtual networks with macro segmentation. Do I have it? Do I have the client? Yes, right here is the MAC address. Ends with CEA2. Go to my PC. This CEA2 host is in my Lisp L2V instant ID 8191. You know, it's right here. I have it in my database. This is how you quickly return your existing VLANs to use the benefit of Fabric virtual network.
Hey everyone, NetMaven here. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to dive into the world of amazing network technologies with me, and please feel free to leave your comments below. Hey everyone, NetMaven here. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to dive into the world of amazing network technologies with me, and please feel free to leave your comments below.